Do you dream of living in a cozy, minimalist space, surrounded by nature and away from the hustle and bustle of the city? Do you want to experience a lifestyle that is simple, sustainable, and satisfying? If so, you may want to consider living in a modern small loft cabin. Hello, welcome to Breaking Sign, where we bring you the latest in architecture innovation. Today, if you dream of a cozy and minimalist lifestyle, join us as we dive into the essentials of maximizing space, integrating sustainability, and embracing the beauty of compact living. A modern small loft cabin is a type of compact, stylish, and functional living space, often designed with a focus on maximizing space efficiency and functionality. These cabins are popular choices for those seeking a cozy, minimalist living space, whether for a vacation retreat or a year-round residence. In this article, we will show you how to live in a modern small loft cabin, and what features and characteristics you need to look for to enjoy a cozy and minimalist lifestyle. Open floor plans. One of the key features of a modern small loft cabin is the open floor plan, which creates a sense of spaciousness within a limited square footage. An open floor plan typically combines the kitchen, living, and dining areas into a single, multifunctional space, eliminating the walls and barriers that separate the different rooms. This design approach not only makes the space look bigger and brighter, but also promotes a sense of connection and interaction between the occupants and the activities. To make the most of your open floor plan, you need to ensure that there is a clear and logical flow between the different areas, and that each area has its own identity and function. You can also use furniture, rugs, or lighting to create some visual separation and contrast. The loft spaces. Another distinctive feature of a modern small loft cabin is the incorporation of loft spaces, which provide an additional area for sleeping, storage, or a home office. Lofts make the most of vertical space, allowing for a more open feel in the main living area. Lofts can also add some privacy and coziness to the space, creating a personal and intimate retreat. To utilize your loft space effectively, you need to consider factors such as the height, size, shape, and access of the loft, as well as the function and style of the loft. You can also add some windows, skylights, or lighting to your loft, to make it more bright and airy. The large windows. To enhance natural light and provide a connection with the surrounding environment, modern small loft cabins often incorporate large windows. Large windows not only contribute to the overall aesthetic of the cabin, but also help create a bright and airy atmosphere. Large windows can also offer stunning views of the natural scenery, making you feel closer to nature and more relaxed. To maximize the natural light and the views in your cabin, you need to have windows that are strategically placed and oriented, depending on the location, orientation, and climate of your cabin. You also need to use curtains or blinds that do not block the light or the views, and that match the style and color scheme of your cabin. The sustainable design. Many modern small loft cabins prioritize sustainable and eco-friendly design elements, which can help you reduce your environmental impact and improve your living quality. Sustainable design can include the use of energy-efficient appliances, eco-friendly building materials, and even off-grid features such as solar panels and rainwater harvesting systems. These elements can help you save money, energy, and resources, as well as create a healthier and more comfortable living environment for you and your family. To create a sustainable cabin, you need to consider factors such as the location, orientation, insulation, ventilation, and lighting of your cabin, as well as the materials, products, and practices that you use in your cabin. The Minimalist Aesthetics. Clean lines, neutral color palettes, and minimalist aesthetics are common in modern small loft cabins. The goal is to create a simple, uncluttered, and visually appealing living space that reflects your personality and taste. Minimalist aesthetics can also help you create a sense of calm and harmony in your space, as well as emphasize the natural beauty of the materials and the environment. To create a minimalist cabin, you need to reduce the amount of unnecessary items and distractions in your space, and keep only the essentials that serve a purpose or bring you joy. You also need to choose furniture, accessories, and lighting that are simple, sleek, and functional, and that match your color scheme and style. Multifunctional furniture. Due to limited space, furniture that serves multiple functions is often utilized in modern small loft cabins. Multifunctional furniture can help you maximize the utility of each square foot, as well as make your space more flexible and adaptable. Examples of multifunctional furniture include sofa beds, storage ottomans, and folding tables, which can serve different purposes depending on your needs and preferences. To choose the right multifunctional furniture for your cabin, you need to consider factors such as the size, shape, color, material, and style of the pieces, as well as how they fit and complement your space and your needs. Outdoor living spaces. Given the often scenic locations where these cabins are situated, there is a focus on integrating outdoor living spaces, which can extend the usable space and allow you to enjoy the surrounding natural beauty. Outdoor living spaces can include decks, patios, or balconies, where you can relax, dine, or entertain in the fresh air and the scenic views. Outdoor living spaces can also enhance the aesthetic and the value of your cabin, as well as create a sense of connection and continuity between the indoor and outdoor spaces. To create an outdoor living space, you need to consider factors such as the size, shape, orientation, and function of the space, as well as the furniture, accessories, and lighting that you use in the space. The customization options. Modern small loft cabins are often available with customization options, allowing you to adapt the design to your specific needs and preferences. Customization options can include choosing finishes, layouts, and other details that suit your individual tastes and requirements. Customization options can also help you create a unique and personalized living space that reflects your style and personality. To customize your cabin, you need to consult with the cabin manufacturer or builder and discuss your options and preferences. You can also do some research and get some inspiration from other cabin designs and styles. Prefab and modular construction. Some modern small loft cabins are designed for quick and efficient construction, using prefabricated or modular components. Prefabricated or modular components are pre-made in a factory, and then transported and assembled on site. This not only reduces construction time, but also offers cost-effective and sustainable building solutions. Prefabricated or modular construction can also ensure high quality and durability, as well as minimize waste and environmental impact. To benefit from prefab or modular construction, you need to choose a reputable and reliable cabin manufacturer or builder, and select the cabin model and design that suits your needs and preferences. The technology integration. Integration of smart home technology is becoming increasingly common in modern small loft cabins. Smart home technology can enhance your convenience and comfort, as well as improve your energy efficiency and security. Smart home technology can include smart thermostats, lighting systems, security features, and home automation, which can be controlled remotely or via voice commands. Smart home technology can also complement the modern and minimalist aesthetic of your cabin, as it can create a sense of innovation and sophistication. To integrate smart home technology into your cabin, you need to choose devices and gadgets that are compatible with your space and your needs, and that are discreet and easy to use. Conclusion. As you can see, living in a modern small loft cabin can offer you a cozy and minimalist lifestyle that is simple, sustainable, and satisfying. A modern small loft cabin can provide you with a compact, stylish, and functional living space that maximizes space efficiency and functionality. A modern small loft cabin can also offer you a blend of functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability that suits your needs and preferences. By following these tips and tricks, you can live in a modern small loft cabin that you love. Well, thanks for joining us today on Breaking Sign. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting architecture insights. Until next time, keep creative idea running.